this unboxing, nobody's talking about this guitar, especially dito sa Pilipinas. May bagong nirelease si Fermata, yung parang epoxy headless guitar. Meron yung SC24 na carbon something yung pickguard. Pero ito, bago to. Nobody's talking about it yet, so ako pa lang. And yung pinagbilihan ko na store, which is called Guitar Furniture. So, before we go unboxing, this guitar is from Guangzhou, Hawaii Music Instruments Ltd. in China, or more famous with their Devicer line of guitars and acoustic basses. I got this for only $206 US dollars. The top is made from linden with tiger stripe maple, sticking convex. Ang linden is actually basswood yun. Back and sides is also linden. Neck is roasted maple. Ang fretboard niya is carbonized maple na this version is matte. Meron ding gloss. Carbonized maple fretboard. So may insert siya na carbon na parang stick to, parang stabilize tabi ng crush rod. 24 stainless frets, round end. So actually, when this came to me, sinet up the initial setup ng store na binilhal ko, which is Guitar Furniture. So we'll see when we open it. Ang tuners niya is 18-to-1 chrome-plated die-cast tuners, 2-point trem, ang tremolo niya, and big block, naka-big block daw. HH Alnico 5 na merong split coil ata. And potentiometers 500K watts po. Okay, so let's do the unboxing now. Give out talaga diretso ang brand name. So it's model name Civiliana JOM 920 po ito na model. So it comes po with a very nice um gig bag po. Ito po. Very nice gig bag. Okay. So meron siyang freebies. Yun. Okay, I'll switch to the wow. Ganda. As in. Wow. No, walang damage yata sa paint. Wala ng initial inspection. So wala pong damage from the shipping in terms sa body. Ito po. Close up. As in, super nice. Look at that finish. Roasted maple neck. Stainless steel frets na rounded na. I don't know ano ang nut nito. I don't know what it is. Here's the brand name, Civiliana. It looks like the headstock of the Balaguer. I don't know how to pronounce that. The Balaguer brand of guitars. Okay. Volume tone. Ata, this is the split coil. Ata. Three-way switch. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 500, ano, Alico 5. So it seems may ano talaga siya, parang, how do you say that? May parang kinat siya para maging lumabas to. Yung wood talaga para sa logo. Let's take a look at the back. Tuners, yan. Ano siya, joint, anong tawag no? Scarf ba to? Scarf joint. Ito yung body. Nice, nice. Um, Oo nga. Maganda yung ends ng fret. Mukhang stainless naman. Uy, wide neck pala siya. Wide na hindi kasing nipis ng Ibanez Wizard. Medyo ano siya, masi siya kasi hindi masyadong, it's not really you. May ano siya. Which is nice. Which is nice actually. Hindi siya yung parang super manipis na ano, sakit sa kamay sa higher frets. Okay. So, tignan natin ang hmm, sakto, tamang-tama lang yung bow niya. Relief, wala na masyado. Pero I'm guessing, pwede ba ito ibaba yung saddles? Yung saddles nito, ganda din. So, a weird thing I've noticed right away. Yan. Parang hindi ko alam kung paano ma-explain yan. Pero supposedly painted din yung sides niya. Which is, I don't know, which is fine though. Right? So, mamaya, I'll play this without a setup muna to hear the pickups. I bet this needs wax spotting naman talaga. And walang setup, i-play ko kung anong tunog niya. $206? I hope this is high output. It looks really nice. Roasted maple neck stainless steel frets. Yung frets niya I think are not jumbo. Medyo manipis. It's not really big. Yun. It really looks nice kasi yung tiger nga na maple. Ang ganda. Even at the back, meron din siyang, I don't know, maybe this is just video. Pero ang ganda. For $26, 12,000 pesos, I think, yeah. So let's hear it first without a setup. I'll play it with a Sonic Cake Pocket Master lang.